Hey guys, welcome back to Wing Customs. Thank you all for tuning in. So I've moved a few things around in the shed. As you can see, I've got my SS behind me. That needs a little bit of work underneath. I've got to do a center bearing on that. But yeah, I've decided to put everything aside there and work on these spindles. Now, these are original 1941 spindles forwards, maybe forward. I dropped these on the last video, turned out really nice. Give them a quick lick of paint. Now I did leave the grease nipples, the bushings, the original ones in there, purely just to keep those areas free from paint. Now they're all gonna come out and I'm gonna rebuild this, put the new bushings in. About it. I've got a holiday coming up and going overseas for about a month. That's gonna be exciting. Hopefully I run into a few car shows, I can show you guys that. Other than that, I will be off for that month. Hopefully I can figure out something over there that's gonna be of interest to film and put out there. So yeah, but back on to the spindles. Let's get these rebuilt and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, well, we have one complete. Let's move on to the second one. Some basic tools here: center punch, hammer. Knocking each side by side seems to be working better than just down one side. These original bushings are so badly worn on one side, they're really thin, like less than a mil. And so yeah, I thought maybe I could just cut down the side of that with a center punch and it would all fold up, but not quite as I expected. It all cracked up and just fell apart. So working side to side just worked way better. So we're gonna move on and get this second one done. Then yeah, that's about it. Rebuild of the spindles. All right, well, there it is. The spindles are on. They look insane. The 4-inch drop axle looks amazing. The new spring perches with the new spring. It's probably a little bit over the top for that 37 at the moment. I need to get back onto that once I get back from a big holiday. And yeah, we can sort out some top end stuff there. But again, thank you all for watching. I will see you all on the next one.